and it's nice and safe, so make your way onto the track for me.
Okay.
And go up a
Do
gear.
I need to use any indicators at all?
Up a gear for me.
Oh,
That's it. Keep to the left hand side and go up a gear. That's it. Drop it down one gear for me. That's it. Just keep on the track for me, and then at your turn board, turn towards the yellow cone. So start turning now towards the yellow cone. Start squeezing that accelerator all the way out towards the yellow cone. Keep going. Now go up a gear. That's it. Keep it going. That keeps it. Keep in the left-hand lane. That's it. On them brakes. Knock it down one gear for me. Come off the brakes. That's it. So stay left. Now at your turn board. That's it. Now turn into the middle. That's it. Keep it in the middle. Keep it in the middle. That's it. Towards the yellow cone. Start building that speed up for me. All the way out towards your exit cone. Keep going. That's it. Build that speed up. And to the right hand side and go up a gear for me. Nicely done. Come off the brakes. Off the brakes. Turn towards your yellow cone. Nicely done. All the way out towards your exit cone. Use the full width of the track. Okay, you've paid for it. Use it all. Make your way back over to the right hand side and go up a gear for me. That's it. And slowly squeeze them brakes for me. At your turn board, turn towards the yellow cone. Turn it in. Nicely done. Right, we're going to stick in the middle.
okay.
Just bring the speed right down for me because we're now in our safety zone. So around 40 miles an hour, please, if you could. Drop it into third gear when you're ready. Right, now we're going to stay in the middle section. Okay. So once we get past the barriers here, start slowly building that speed up.
Okay.
Right, keeping to the left. That's it. Keep to the left hand side for me.
Yep.
That's it. So now start speeding that, building that speed up. Build it up. Right, keep it up with Ferrari. Yeah. Hand up a gear. Right, and just back off on the brakes for me. Drop it down a gear. Keep on the track if you could, mate. That's it. At your turn board, turn towards your yellow cone. You feel the weight of the car now, can't you?
Yeah,
it's
you
a big
can.
old lump. But like I said, it's a touring car. It's not a speed car.
Yeah.
It does move. Don't get me wrong. Right, so slowly squeeze them brakes for me. You don't need to get rid of a lot of speed now because you're not going that quick. Drop it into third for me.
Oh, it's in
That's
there.
alright, that's alright.
Yeah.
Start turning it in. There we go. Turn it in. That's it. That's it. Lovely. Start building that speed up now. Start building it up. Build it up. Build it up. Build it up. All the way out towards your exit. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Over to the right hand side, mate. That's it. And turn towards your yellow cone. Remember, go all the way out. Start building on that speed now. All the way out. Lovely. You see how smooth that is. Okay, so once you now you've got the concept of the track and how the lines work.
Yeah.
In your other cars, you'll be able to do that a lot quicker and it'll be just as smooth. So turn it towards the yellow cone now. Nicely done. Now we're going to keep to the left hand side because we're popping in now, buddy.
Yeah.
We'll bring that speed down. So our photographer's just there on the left hand side, so he's going to get a nice photo of you in the car now. So if you want to put your thumbs up, you can do.
I'll do one.
Only the one. Obviously don't stick the V's up, otherwise you will get that on photo and you will be taking that photo home. Right, so we're just going to pop in. So a nice steady speed, nice crawling speed now.
Yeah.
And what we'll do, we're going to make our way through that gap there.
Okay.
Going between these ones. And then we'll drop the car off where we picked it up from.
Yep.
So what we'll do, we'll go around the back of these three cars here. And then, yeah, park it next to the Aston. That's it.
Wonderful.
Lovely stuff. Put your foot on the brake, pop it into park for me.
Yep.
Just here, mate.